Okay, good morning, viewers. Today topic is Einstein theory of specific heat. Next, according to he considered all the atoms of a solid as oscillator. Different oscillators may oscillate with the different energies. Let there are n number of oscillators with 3 degrees of freedom. So means this one direction vibration going in one direction, vibration in another direction, vibrations in one more direction, right? So like this, 3 degrees of freedom. So that is the 3 degrees of freedom. Next, so according to wave theory, the energy of energy of each oscillator can be written as En is equals to n plus half h cut omega. So how does it has come? According to Max Planck formula, n h nu. So in the place of n, only n plus half has come, and next h, just if you multiply and divide the 2 pi, then you get this one. H cut by 2 pi is simply written as h by 2 pi can be written as h cut or h cross. And next 2 pi nu is angular frequency. This is a linear frequency, it is angular frequency. If you multiply 2 pi to the linear frequency, we get angular frequency. Next, according to Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law, the average energy of each oscillator can be written as epsilon bar is average energy notation. Next, n value running summation n value running from 0 to infinity e power minus en by kBT by summation n value running from 0 to infinity e power minus en by kBT. Right? So this is average energy formula, and now what I am doing, I am going to expand this average energy formula by replacing summation. Alright, now epsilon bar is equals, substitute the value first, before it substitute the en values. Summation n value running from 0 to infinity. En means what? N plus half h cut omega. And next here also e power minus n plus half h cut omega naught divided by kBT. Right? In the place of En, just now I have written the formula for En. En is n plus half h cut omega. Here also we have En, and the same thing here also. Substitute these values. N is equals 0 to infinity e power n minus, here also minus n plus half h cut omega naught by kBT. Okay. Now expand it by substituting the n value gradually. Here for substitute n value 0 first, next 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity. We cannot apply up to infinity, up to certain values and up. Okay. Epsilon bar. Now see here. First, it is a constant term. Take it outside simply. H cut omega naught. Open the bracket. And now substitute n value 0 here first. 0. So before this one thing we have to do, what is that in the place of minus h cut omega naught by kBT, I am going to substitute one term, that is x. First let minus h cut omega naught by kBT as x. Here we have the same value, here also we have the same value. So replace these two values with the x. Then it is see how does it appears? Summation n value running from 0 to infinity n plus half h cut omega naught e power n plus half into x. Right? In the place of this. In the place of this x orbit. By summation n value running from 0 to infinity e e power not minus n plus half simply x. Again in the place of this I have written x. Okay, and now expand it. Expand summation epsilon. Here value substitute first 0 here and here. If you substitute 0, half. Here also half into x. But before this, take it outside. H cut omega naught. Okay. Now n value is 0, then it is simply half. Into here 0 half into x means e power 1 by 2x. Okay, it is a summation. If you have to substitute the next term, please put here plus. Okay, next n value 1, here 1, how much we get? 3 by 2. Here also substitute 1, 3 by 2. Okay, so here 3 by 2 e power 3 by 2 x plus next term 5 by 2 e power 5 by 2 x plus, right? Similarly in the denominator e power, first substitute 0 term, then what you get? 1 by 2 into x, simply e power 1 by 2 into x, and next plus e power 3 by 2x plus e power 5 by 3x plus, right? So like this we get here. Okay, now what I am doing, I am going to write it in the form of e power, it is h cut omega as it is dy dx of ln e power 1 by 2x plus e power 3 by 2x plus e power 5 by 2x plus 1. Can we write like this? Now let me explain. Take it first, this one. Okay, see, it is suppose any terms ln d by dx of what is the form of first, let me differentiate this one first. It is take it as x log x. First log x, differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x, right? 1 by x. Again differentiate it, e power of 1 by 2x can be written as 1 by 2 e power 1 by 2x. Okay, so for this, see, upside what you have, same, right? Downside this one. Next plus, for this you may get this one. For this you may get that one. So that is why simply this is written as in the form of this. If you differentiate it, again you get this one. No doubt at all. Take it as totally x. Log x. Differentiation of log x can be written as 1 by x. Again differentiate it in numerator, then you get this one. Okay, and next epsilon bar is equals to h cut omega naught d by dx of ln. Now take a common term. Can we can easily take common term here. What is that? This is a common one. E power 1 by 2 x is common. Then here what? 1 plus. Here e power x. Multiply it. 1 into of x. Yes, you get. This into this. E power of here. Bases are same, then powers what happens? Powers will be added. Add the powers 1 by 2x plus x can be written as 3 by 2x. Okay. Next plus e power 2x. Multiply this, you can get this one. Next e power 3x plus so on. Okay. And now see, it is in the form of, let it is a, this is the b log A into B can be written as log A plus log B. Okay, epsilon bar h cut omega naught d by dx of log e power 1 by 2x plus log 1 plus e power x plus e power 2x plus e power 3x plus 1. Okay, and now see, this is can be written as simply 1 by 2x. So why, log ln e power ax or e power x can be written as simply x is the formula. Okay, log e, here where is the base e, like the base e, then this is answer. In the same manner I am going to write this one also. Okay, you guys take more fast. And now what we have to do, now we have to write it as epsilon bar is equals what? Epsilon bar h cut omega naught d by dx of 1 by 2x. I said you just come, right? So only this term will come. And next plus log of 1 plus e power of x plus e power of 2x plus e power of 3x plus 1. 1 plus e power of x plus e power of 3x plus e power of 3x formula is 1 minus, like 1 by 1 minus e power of x. Now substitute here epsilon bar h cut omega naught d by dx of 1 by 2x plus log of 1 by 1 minus e power. Bring it outside, then what you get here? Minus. Why? Log e power, any power, a power of minus x minus 1 can be written as minus, this comes here, log minus log a. Okay, so that is why bring it outside. Then what you write? Epsilon bar h cut omega naught d by dx of 1 by 2 x plus let me write log, simply either log or ln. What is this? 1 minus e power of x power. This minus can be written here. Okay, so now summation h cut omega naught d by dx of 1 by 2x minus ln 1 minus e power x, right? Now what we have to do, we have to differentiate to this and this. Okay, now epsilon bar is equals h cut omega naught. Its differentiation only half. Why? Because x with respect to x is 1 by 2 plus, take it as x, log x can be written as 1 by x. Again differentiate it. Its differentiation 0 minus its differentiation same. It is minus, already minus is there. It is minus become plus. H cut omega naught 1 by 2 plus e power x by 1 minus e power x. Simply divide and multiply with e power x. Wait, see here. H cut omega 1 by 2 plus here e power of x by e power of x. Dividing and multiplying. E power of x. Here also divide same. Okay, so these two gets cancelled again, we get this one. Now epsilon bar is equals to h cut omega naught 1 by 2 plus 1 by e power of x minus 1. Okay, why? Because see here 1 by e power of x minus e power of x by e power of x gets cancelled here 1 and bring it outside, it becomes minus. Directly I am writing e power minus x minus 1. Right? Now already we know x term. X is what? Minus h cut omega naught by kBT. Substitute there. Or we will substitute later. Why? Because something is let me do it one more. Okay. Next to multiply it inside. Or let me calculate total energy. It is average energy. Total energy of oscillators is U is equals 3 and epsilon bar. 3-dimensional n number of oscillators with average energy. Now substitute here. Take photo. And now total energy U is equals to 3 and epsilon bottom is h cut omega naught 1 by 2 plus 1 by e power minus x minus 1 multiply 3 and multiply 3 by 2 n h cut omega naught plus 3 and h cut omega naught by e power minus x minus 1. But what we know? We know that x is equal to minus h cut omega naught by kBT. Substitute here U 3 by 2 and h cut omega naught plus 3 and h cut omega naught by e power. Here minus is there, already minus is there, it becomes plus h cut omega naught by kBT minus. It is the total energy. From this we have to calculate specific heat. Now specific heat is specific heat at constant volume. At constant volume is Cv is equals to du by dt. Cv is equals to d by dt of what is it? U 3 by 2 n h cut omega naught plus 3 n h cut omega naught by e power h cut omega naught by kBT minus 1. Now see differentiation with respect to temperature. Here there is no temperature term, right? Here we have the temperature term, so this term will be 0. Only this will be derivable. Now see, Cv is equals to, this is a 0 plus, it is a constant, so at t term is the denominator, so take total as x. take its total as x. 1 by x differentiation is what? Minus 1 by x square. Okay, so minus, what is come is minus 3 and x cut omega naught by t power x cut omega naught by kBt minus 1 whole square. Why? 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square, and again do it differentiation if it possible. Yes, here it is possible. So differentiate this total inside the bracket term, and it's a differentiation we know, but its differentiation is 0, right? So it's a differentiation. Take it is a e power x 1 by t as x, e power of x. E power of x differentiation term is what? Only 1 by, so bring it total downside. X cut. So first write it as is e power x cut omega naught by kBt d by dt of h cut omega naught by kBt. This is differentiation. Its differentiation is 0. All its differentiation is e power of x term. E power of x is e power of x only. Actually, ax time is ax. Again, ax is taken as downside for differentiating. Differentiate it again. Okay. So what you get? Before it, please. TV is equals to what? Minus already what is there? Right, we need this and this one. Minus 3 and h cut omega naught divided by e power h cut omega naught by kBt minus 1 whole square e power h cut omega naught by kBt. Into differentiation is, its differentiation is, see here only it is a t, here also t, 1 by t differentiation, this terms remaining terms are constant. 1 by t differentiation is minus 1 by t square minus k, what is the h cut omega naught by kBt square. Okay, h cut omega naught by kBt are constant term. 1 by t differentiation is what? Minus 1 by t square. Okay, and now bring this constant term, all the terms bring this side. Here minus, already minus is there, it becomes plus. Cv 3n h cut omega naught, write it into h cut omega naught by kBt square. Okay, this is over and this is over. These two things, e power h cut omega by kBt by e power h cut omega naught by kBt minus 1 whole square, and Cv is equals to 3n h cut square omega naught square by kb into t square. Right here, multiply here kb and divide here kb and kb becomes, it is kb square. Keep it these all square in bracket. Here kb is multiplied and divided. Okay, so then kb square. Or in next term I will write 3n h cut square omega naught square by kb t square e power h cut omega naught by kBt by h cut omega naught by kBt minus 1 whole square. Now final step is Cv is equals to 3n. Here multiply with kb and divide kb. 3n kb. Okay, multiply here. Already h cut square omega naught square by kb square. Here kb is multiplied and divided. So here only kb. Only kb. And next into t square into e power h cut omega naught by kBT divided by h cut omega naught by kBT minus 1 whole square. Now here square, d square, this is square, keep them in bracket and write the common square. H cut omega by omega naught by kBT whole square. See, square square square, 4 square terms are there, common square is this one. And next h cut omega naught by kBT whole divided by e power h cut omega naught by kBT minus 1 whole square. And see here, it is a constant. I am replacing these three terms with the one more term, single term, that is 3n kb. Write it as theta e by t whole square, where theta e is called Einstein temperature. Einstein temperature. H cut, that is what? H cut omega naught by kb. In the place of h cut omega naught by kb, what I have written? Theta e. It is also temperature. Einstein temperature. Okay, so square. And remaining term is this one comes as it is here. No space place here. No space. H cut omega naught by kBT by e power h cut omega naught by kBT minus 1 whole square. This is the last. Okay, so it is a specific heat of a solid by using Einstein theory, right? So please take it photo and stop you.